Hi guys. So my name is Crystal. I am the owner of J Monet, and I get asked the question a lot about how to put on a faja. So you first start by unzipping it completely. Then you pull both legs all the way up to your crotch where you can feel it. After you pull in, turn your knees, bend just like this, and you hook. Keep your knees bent in while you are hooking. Once you get past the belly button, you should be okay to lift up. You zip, and there you are. Now, just to talk to you a little bit about this faja. This is our Brazilian baby faja. It has padding here with 3 levels of eye hooks, so that way if you have a shorter torso or a longer one, pretty much you can adjust to your size. We do not have anything in the butt part. It is lifting. In the back, it goes all the way up to get the back fat, as you can see. And most of all, it is Colombian made. And it is very, very strong. And that's how you put on a faja.